Hi and welcome to Full Course Online. Today, we're going to learn how to add your Gmail account to Microsoft Outlook in Windows 11. By the end of this video, you'll be able to check your Gmail right from your desktop without even opening your browser. Let's get started. First, open the Outlook app. If you see it pinned to your taskbar, just click the icon. Otherwise, you can also click the Start button and choose Outlook for Windows. Outlook is already configured. As you can see here, we have already configured the Outlook for Windows 11 in our previous video. The inbox for previous account is displayed. Look for the little settings gear in the top right corner. Make sure the Accounts tab is selected, and then choose Add Account. Outlook is suggesting that Yahoo, Gmail, iCloud, and Pop accounts can be added. In the Add Account box, type your full Gmail address, for example, yourname@gmail.com, and click Continue. It is informing you that this account will be synchronized for emails, calendar, and events. Click on Continue. Now the Outlook app will redirect you to the default browser for further process. Google sign-in page will pop up. Enter your Gmail password, then click Next. If you use two-step verification on your Google account, you'll need to confirm. Google is informing you that Microsoft Outlook want to have access to your data. If you are agreed, click on Continue. It will now ask for permission to access your Gmail, contacts, and calendar. Click Continue so it can connect everything for you. The process on the browser is done. Now it will redirect you again to the Outlook application. Once that's done, Outlook will automatically add your Gmail account. In just a few seconds, you'll see your Gmail inbox on the left side. Outlook will start syncing your emails, contacts, and calendar right away. To make sure everything's working, let's send a quick test email from the other account. Click New Mail, type a short message to yourself, attach a picture and hit Send. If you want to learn how to write, send, receive emails with other options explained, then watch this other video. Now open your Gmail inbox to check. And there it is. Let me reply with a short message. And that's it. It is received on the other account. You've successfully added your Gmail account to Microsoft Outlook in Windows 11. Now you can manage Gmail and all your other accounts in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical Windows 11 tips and guides.